us another car video.
Hit that like button and also subscribe.
Alright. So those are loosened. I go outside, loosen it, and then jack it up. You still recording?
Yeah, I'm still recording. Oh, I'm gonna do it? Huh. We'll see. Does it go this way or that way?
You ask me too many questions for doing this or seeing me do this all the time.
Yeah. I'm saying, does it go down this way or the other way?
I don't know. Righty, tighty, lefty, loosey.
Okay, right. Maybe.
Come on, keep going, keep going, keep going. All right. First of all, you're going the wrong way.
I am. I thought, but I didn't know for
I was
sure.
waiting. Come on. There you go. Wow. That's it. That's all you gotta do. Now go to the other ones. No, don't take it all the way off. Just go to the other ones. That one's missing. That's why we're replacing the hub.
Yep.
Yeah, that's why we're replacing the hub. Oh, where is it? It's rusted in there from before, so. Come on.
Shut up.
Come on. This is no. Put it all the way in there.
Is it? Oh.
You will not do good in the NASCAR picture.
Shut up. I'm new.
Yeah, we can tell. You just hit my car.
No, I don't know what you're talking about.
If you got a manual car, jack up the back. Got to put the front in the neutral. Oh, not neutral. Get out of here, mosquito. Put the front in the gear because obviously you don't want to roll into the street. And just jack it up. Okay. Come on. You stick in the jack? Usually you know what you're doing, you know your spots.
I don't know if I'm getting it. Yeah, okay.
Watch out. Jack a little higher. Watch out, I'm gonna jack a little higher, ma'am.
Okay.
No, you just don't care about safety.
Look, sir.
Okay. And do the same thing on the other side. You ain't gotta follow me.
Green leggings.
Hey, you didn't listen. Put on the jack. Let it go. Ta-da. It's on jacks. Okay, that size eyes that, but I still got it up. That's all that matters.
This way? Yeah. This one. Yeah.
And just pull it off. Yeah, it's rusted. I wanna. Why is water rusted into that thing like that? Well, this is one of the reasons we're doing it.
Yeah.
And just put it underneath here. Actually, more underneath here. Or, yeah. Alright, that's all we're doing for now. Just jack it up. Put it on there. We got a good couple years to use the back driveway, so yeah. The new hub assembly. Brand spanking new. Alright, first we gotta take this off.
This.
How you say righty tighty? Or righty loosey for you?
Yep.
Woo!
Yep, for me it was righty loosey.
That one there. The drive shaft. I mean, not drive shaft. Shocks. The red one that was on Jetta?
Mm-hmm.
That's what this is.
Mm.
The only red one I got for the Jetta. I should say.
Should we have done that with all of this? So you don't have to take it all off again?
Oh no, I ain't gonna take this off.
Oh, you don't?
No, last time I just jacked it up and bolted right here.
Oh, okay. Well, never mind. Well, never mind.
See this? That's where I have the brake caliper thing. I remember the truck. The truck, I just push it in. Whatever, this one you got twisted in.
Ah.
Brake pads.
I was gonna say, is that the brake pads?
So front, back.
Okay.
So top one is front, okay?
Alright. There we go.
Huh?
So there we go. Go away, mosquito. Don't. No.
Brake calipers, bracket. That's what I was placed. That's what I just took off. These two.
So what is that?
Brake caliper bracket, cause that goes on the brake caliper.
Oh, okay.
Holy moly.
Hey there, Rusty.
Now we're gonna pull this off.
That device looks scary. That device looks scary.
Alright. I think I need 18. Just for it. And when I tighten, obviously it's pulling.
Right. I see. Okay. Whoop. There it goes. Looks all shiny in there.
Oh, that's the thing. Watch out.
Go ahead. I'm gonna zoom in.
This is the, whatever it's called, racer or whatever. From the old one, so I'm just gotta get it off. I don't got a vice grip. Oh, there.
Oh. Go the way you go.
Always they do caddy corner tightening it. There are specs of doing it, but I really don't know it right now, so yeah. I'm pretty sure it's not going nowhere. That's all. That is it. And if for someone, if it doesn't go in all the way, it will. When you tighten this up, it will go in. You don't need a puller. The puller is always just to pull it out.
16th. Yep. Looks about 16th.
Whatever. Alright. When the guy's working on cars. Hold on. What I told you about this? Remember?
Oh yeah, the smaller one.
Where's the adapt? Hold on. Okay, we've been taking everything off, so you was.
My bad.
What are you doing? Ratchet. It's a ratchet.
I know, but
Make things so difficult.
well, it's my first time taking stuff like this off, so
Hey man, my first time. Man, I'm not paying you for me to work on my own car.
yeah.
How's that doohickey work? Oh, whoa, what's going on? Is it coming off?
I don't feel like it goes that way. It definitely doesn't go that way.
Oh my.
And that's why you don't let me do it.